Experience one of the most powerful home projectors designed for immersive entertainment with the Optoma UHD38X 4K UHD projector. This device delivers brilliant visuals, lightning-fast performance, and a cinematic experience that transforms any space. Whether it's high-octane gaming or movie marathons, this projector is built to impress. The UHD38X offers true 4K UHD resolution, producing over 8 million pixels for razor-sharp clarity. Every frame is detailed, vibrant, and full of depth. From action-packed games to cinematic scenes, visuals appear lifelike, making every moment on screen more engaging. Brightness is another standout feature. With up to 4,000 lumens, this projector maintains excellent visibility even in bright rooms. It's perfect for daytime movie sessions or gaming without having to worry about dimming the lights. Colors remain vivid, and contrast stays strong, giving a professional-grade viewing experience in any environment. For gamers, the UHD38X is exceptional. It boasts an ultra-low input lag of just 4.2 milliseconds at 1080p and a 240 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. Fast movements in competitive games appear fluid without stuttering, giving a significant advantage while maintaining that massive cinematic scale. HDR support is robust with HDR10 and HLG compatibility, delivering superior contrast and richer color depth. Dark scenes have more detail, bright areas shine without losing texture, and the overall image quality feels incredibly natural. Optoma's dynamic black technology enhances this further by adjusting brightness on a frame-by-frame basis for improved depth and realism. Connectivity options are versatile. HDMI 2.0 and HDMI 1.4 ports allow seamless integration with consoles, streaming devices, Blu-ray players, and laptops. Installation is straightforward thanks to flexible zoom and keystone correction, whether it's table placement or ceiling mounting. Color accuracy is enhanced by Optoma's brilliant color technology, producing vivid yet natural tones. Movies, sports, and animated content benefit from balanced colors that don't appear oversaturated. The projector is also surprisingly quiet, even in high brightness mode, keeping focus on the visuals rather than distracting fan noise. Audio comes from a built-in speaker, which is fine for casual use, but pairing with an external sound system elevates the experience. For home theaters, combining stunning 4K visuals with high-quality sound delivers a complete cinematic setup. The Optoma UHD38X strikes a perfect balance between performance and accessibility. It combines ultra-low input lag, impressive brightness, true 4K resolution, and HDR support to create an immersive viewing experience. It's a top choice for gamers and home theater enthusiasts looking for high-end quality without excessive cost. If you want to buy this Optoma UHD38X 4K UHD projector with high dynamic range white, the link is provided in the description.